My name is David.
David, from which country you have come here?
We come from Australia.
From Australia. How did you come here in tractor trolley?
We visited Mick Kundell and the family who live here near Amritsar.
Okay.
And we come from on a holiday, and we come to explore the Punjabi culture.
Okay.
And I would like to throw my weight and support it for this protest. This protest is about, as I understand it, about corporatization and about big business taking away local people and their rights.
The small businessmen are getting ruined.
Yes, exactly right. So stand up for it, stand against it, and hopefully we can all go together. People power.
Okay. What do you want to appeal to the government, to the India government?
Oh, look after your people. If you are public servants, you look after your people first. You don't look after the big business. Big business take the money and they put it in their own pockets. Look after the people.
So you are agree with the demands of the farmers they are protesting for?
100%.
Oh, money?
Yes, I agree.
Okay. What is your name, ma'am?
Hello, my name is Louise.
Okay. You are the wife of your husband, wife.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm
So
from
you have come
Australia.
to visit the Amritsar.
Yes, we're here with Nick.
Okay.
Visiting to learn about India, Punjabi.
Okay. So you are agree with the demands of farmers for what they are protesting?
I think it's very important to look after the farmers. Farmers look after the land and are connected to the land. And they're very connected to the community and to look after the people and the community.
So Indian government should listen to them.
Yes, it's very important. Around the world, you need to look after your land, and that will look after your people, and the farmers are connected to the land. Yeah.
Is it a usual scene as in your country also, Australia?
Yes, I look after, listen to your community, and the farmers.
I can't comment too much,
Okay.
but I think there's
Why are you hesitating for that?
some improvement for Australian government to empower small business
Yes.
and not corporatize Australia. And that's what this is all about from Punjabi and from India. We support it. And,
I think this is a global problem.
इस समय मैं अमृतसर अल्फा 1 के सामने खड़ा हूं। जिस तरह से मैंने आपको दिखाया, यहाँ पर हजारों ट्रैक्टर आकर खड़े हैं, मार्च करते हुए जाएंगे। इसी तरह से पूरे देश भर में आज ट्रैक्टर मार्च चल रहा है। और जो बड़े कारपोरेट के शॉपिंग मॉल हैं, जो बड़े साइलोज हैं, इसी के साथ में भाजपा के घर अथवा दफ्तर हैं, जहाँ कुछ नहीं, वहाँ पर जो है वहाँ पर टोल प्लाजे हैं। तो यहाँ पर लगातार मार्च चल रहा है। एमएसपी लीगल गारंटी कानून मोदी सरकार को बनाने के लिए विवश करेगा आज का पूरे देश का ट्रैक्टर मार्च। कर्ज मुक्त करने की मांग मनवा के रहेगी। आज 26 जनवरी को देश का संविधान लागू हुआ था। आज गणतंत्र दिवस मना रहा पूरा भारत। हमें दुख से कहना पड़ रहा है कि जो लखीमपुर खीरी का इंसाफ है, संविधान के अनुसार हमें उसका इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए, अभी तक नहीं मिला। शहीद सुखकुरन जी को जिन्होंने गोली मारी उनका भी इंसाफ नहीं मिला। और अब प्रधानमंत्री जी अगर विश्वास रखते हैं लोकतंत्र में तो